While the fall rain might have you feeling down, just think, all that water is filling the creeks for the return of the salmon. Bundle up and enjoy the happy salmon weather as you visit the Salmon Observation Station. Located along the path between Donkey Creek Park and Austin Estuary Park, you can find the Salmon Observation Station installed seasonally under the bridge. The goal of this community science experience is to encourage salmon viewing and to determine the best time to observe salmon returning to Donkey Creek in the fall. The protocol is easy. Simply visit the Salmon Observation Station and write the date and your start time in the logbook. Turn to the creek and observe how many salmon you see swimming underneath the bridge. You can observe for any amount of time, whether it's 10 seconds or 10 minutes. Once you are done making observations, record your end time and the number of salmon you saw swimming by. Don't forget, zeros are important information too. You're welcome to record any other things you noticed in the notes section. We'd also love to know who these community scientists are out there, so feel free to write your name, and if you're a student, mark your name with a star. Taking a peek in the creek and documenting your observations is an easy, fun way to help us better understand the annual return of salmon here in Gig Harbor, Washington. Thanks for participating. Learn, have fun.